Hello students. So your topic for today is tense and time. So it is important not to confuse the name of a verb tense with the way we use it to talk about time. For example, a present tense does not always refer to present time. I hope it rains tomorrow. So rains is a present simple, but it refers here to future time, that is tomorrow. Or a past tense does not always refer to a past time. So if I had some money now, I could buy it. So had is a past simple, but it refers here to a present time. So let's find some examples that show how different tenses can be used to talk about different times. So over here it is the present tense, and first is the simple present tense, the present simple tense. So I want a coffee is a present time with simple present tense. Then I leave tomorrow, it is a simple present tense with future time. Next is she likes coffee. So this is simple present, which is talking about, it is not specifying any time. Then is the present continuous tense, for in which if I write I am having dinner, then I'm talking about the present time. And if I write I'm taking my exam next month, then it is talking about the future time. And if I write they are living in London, then it is talking about all of the times. Then the next example is of present perfect tense, in which if I write I have seen ET, then I'm talking about the past time. And if I say I have finished, so then I'm talking about the present time. Now, example for present perfect continuous is I have been playing tennis. So this is talking about the past time. And if I say that we have been working for 4 hours, then I'm talking about all the three times. Then comes the past tense. So past tense has first is the past simple tense, in which if I say I finished 1 hour ago, then I'm talking about the past time. If I say if she loved you now, she would marry you, then I'm talking about the present tense. And if I say if you came tomorrow, you would see her, so I'm talking about the future tense. Now the next example is for the past continuous tense. So if I say I was working at 2 a.m. this morning, then I'm talking about the past tense. Then past time. Then the example for past perfect tense is I had not eaten for 24 hours. So I'm talking about past time here. Then is the past perfect continuous. In this past tense is example would be, past time example would be we have been working for 3 hours. If I say, if I had been working now, I would have missed you. So this is talking about the present time. And if I say, if I had been working tomorrow, I could not have agreed. So I'm talking about the future time. Then is the future simple tense. So if I say hold on, I will do it now, this means I'm talking about the present time. If I say I will see you tomorrow, so I'm talking about the future time. Now, example on future continuous tense is I will be working at 9 p.m. tonight. So I'm talking about the future time. Then example for future perfect tense is I will have finished by 9 p.m. tonight. So I'm talking about the future time. And then example for future perfect continuous. Before that, there's one more example on future perfect tense. We will have been married on 10 years next month. So this is covering all the three times. Then is the example on future perfect continuous. So if I say they may be tired when you arrive because they will have been working. So I'm talking about future time. If I say in 30 minutes we will have been working for 4 hours, then I'm talking about all three times. Now, the difference between times and tenses are: time is a concept which is related to our perception of reality. There are three times: past, present, and future. Tense is a grammatical category which is marked by verb inflection and expresses when an event or action happens in the flow of time. So, strictly speaking, only two English tenses are marked by the inflection of the verb, that is past, that is talked, and present, that is talks. Other tenses are marked by auxiliaries, be, have. So, past continuous is was, were, talking. Past perfect is had talked. Past perfect continuous is had been talking. Present continuous is am, were, is talking. Present perfect is have, has talked. Present perfect continuous is have or has been talking. So, as future time is expressed with the modal will plus infinitive and not with inflection, the form with will is will talk, will be talking, will have talked, will have been talking are not considered to be tenses. However, for the sake of convenience, we refer them as such throughout in the books that we read. So, therefore, the 12 basic tenses in English are past simple, present simple, and future simple. Then, past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. Past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. Past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. So certain tenses in English may refer to a different time that has expressed by their names. For example, the present continuous tense may refer either to the present or the future time. So the name is present continuous tense, but the time that it is expressing, it is referring, is present or future time. So, what are you doing? I am reading. This is present reference. What are you doing on Wednesday evening? I am visiting my grandma. This is future reference. So, that's all. Thank you.